I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. That's Olaf. This is a vocal warm-up designed for low voices. Baritones, basses, contraltos. This is pitched for you, or anyone working on their lower range. Stick with me in the higher vocal exercises as well, but as always, feel free to switch octaves as you need to. Take a moment now to double check your alignment and bring your attention to your breathing as you center in on the task at hand. Take a couple of low, full, and relaxed breaths. And get ready to bring that relaxation into singing. I love to start any singing practice with some semi-occluded work. So today, let's start with a lip trill or bubble. If that doesn't work for you, you can sing on a v or a zh sound. Let's sing the following pattern. Here we go. Great job. Let's take a moment to check in with the body. Give a little stretch, move your face around, stick out your tongue, release your jaw, maybe give yourself a little massage, and release any tension that may have crept in during that last exercise. Come back into alignment and let's sigh down. Now, retaining that feeling of relaxation in the tongue and jaw, let's sing on fa-e. Like fa-e, hi, 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 hi. Here we go. Fa-e, hi, 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 hi. 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 This next compound vocal warm-up exercise will ensure good airflow and relaxation We're going to start with a lip trill. Then we're going to keep that air going into a focused NG sound like that has no vowel and air goes through the nose. Then we'll open up into an efficient nay sound. You'll need to work out a breathing pattern that works for you, or work on extending your phrases and do it all in one breath. The whole exercise sounds like this. Here we go. Let's move to a very relaxed ha ma 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 ma. Here we go. Ha ma 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 ma. 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 Now let's sing on EA. This will bring some efficiency to the sound. Make sure that we're not tensing up as we do this. We can sing EA. Here we go. this next exercise. It uses the syllables thoh, ah. It sounds like this. Thoh, ah. For me, this exercise really helps keep things relaxed. It keeps my tongue out of the way and a feeling of openness in the back of my mouth and throat. Again, it sounds like this. Thoh, ah. Here we go. Though, ah. Though, ah. Let's take a moment to check in with our breath and alignment as we get ready to cover a wider range. We're going to do a 1-octave arpeggio on the sounds Z-ah, like Z-ah. Now, as we get higher, focus on staying relaxed and open. Also, it's very important that as we work out of our comfort zone, that we let go of judgment. Just do and observe. We will ascend with this exercise, and then we'll bring it back down. Here we go. Feeling warmed up and ready to sing. Make sure to check out the About section below where I will update the latest news and announcements. I have some exciting things coming soon. I will see you next time. This is Olaf, one of my cat assistants. Oh, you were so dirty.